It is lithium line, as I understand, has to do with an individual's time in the mother's womb. After the conception, you go into the lithium line. It's in the mother's womb before, and then you have this labor, and then coming out of the womb. So this is the phase which lithium line covers. Boron. You have lithium. Lithium is like a premature baby. It is, as Jan says, first line, first column. Doesn't have its own structure. So the child cannot separate itself from the mother. Me and my mother are yet one. If that child were to be separated, probably it would not survive. Because it cannot survive. It's too, yet needs mother completely, it's premature. And then comes the beryllium stage, which is the 9 months. When you're 9 months inside, you're completely developed. This is the most beautiful stage. In fact, many scientists say, people who do meditation, you want to go back into this experience of your life. When you are completely carefree, you don't have to do anything. You're taken care of, no ego. It's like almost meditative state. You're 9 months, but you are so comfortable inside, you're so used to that, you don't want to come out. And that is why one of the main theme of beryllium is desire for sameness. These are the people who will not leave the parents' home and go to get with a partner, move on, or they will not leave one job and go to another. They start in a one place job and they will retire from the same because they need that sameness. They cannot make any changes. So imagine what is the boron state. You are completely in a meditative state and suddenly the womb starts contracting. This is the first jerk. It's like suddenly something shakes your comfort zone. And then you don't know what to do. You're confused, the third column. You're confused, you don't know what to do. So one contraction comes and then it stops. So you say, maybe it's just an accident. And then the other comes. And then it comes with increasing frequency. And the child becomes completely confused. This is the first time the child has to do something. Till now the child was taken care of. And then he's very unsure. Unsure is again the third column. Do I stay in or do I go out? So this is the stage of boron. And you can imagine the sympathetic nervous system, how it functions. I'm showing you this case because I have many cases of boron with OCD. That certain pattern has come up, emerged. And I want to share that pattern so that you would not really struggle. And if you know that pattern, you will know where to look for the remedies. Okay? So, yes, not borax. Because that is sodium biborate. You have sodium, boron and oxygen. So boron, the labor begins. The baby is suddenly shaken up from the resting state. This is exactly what happened to this boy. He was so relaxed and suddenly this thing came. It's like I cannot trust this calmness anymore. And I have to do something. He cannot trust the security of the womb anymore. Do I stay, go out or stay in? The baby has to come out of the womb. But it is hesitant and unsure. And this is his main thing. And what is important is about trifles. Because lithium has to do with trifles. If the King series has to do with nations and the groups and larger people and bigger. Boron is the first column, so you're preoccupied with trifles. Trifle seems important, we know the carbon symptom. So, why do you see so much of psychopathology in lithium line? It's a weak ego. They try to come out, but they feel they cannot face the world. They have not seen the other world. The world seems too threatening. They cannot stand up for themselves. Another theme which comes up in boron is need for control, because everything is shaking. This is not cancer miasm as control is cancer miasm. When everything shakes, you want to be in control. So you want to be in control. In OCD, two things have to be there. Doubleness and control. If you have doubleness and control, then you develop OCD. We'll see that. They cannot stand up for themselves. Fears are vague and undefined. The whole process of evolution is to make you more defined, whether it's mineral kingdom or plant kingdom, which we heard from even Michal Yakir, from the magnolids to the asterids. And even from lithium line, a king is very specific. He knows what he wants, everything. He has some clear-cut ideas what he wants, doesn't want. His ego is very well defined. But boron is vague. They don't know. So the seeing patient, when they come, you have to see how defined they are, how they sit, how much place they take, how much weight they have. So he's a very naive, childish person. They forcibly try to keep things in control because they are not sure. Checking the gas. He'll keep a watch here and then say, will it fall? Can you imagine? His area of life is so trifle. Small things he's worried about. This itself tells you it's lithium line.